Hello everyone and welcome to the Doodle Day Art Newscast. Today we are going to be talking about trending topics such as primary colours.
That hit me! So what are we doing today?
You're gonna make me look really important like I'm hosting the art news.
I always make you look important. What are you talking about?
Put a weather chart behind me or something.
So today we're looking at primary colours, which, fun story, I have a bit of trauma with because it was the first thing I learned in high school in art. In high school, not in primary school. No, not in primary school, no. And I told the teacher that I was colourblind and he was just like, good for you.
In case you didn't know, trending news story of today is Adam is colourblind.
Oh, come on. Oh, are we using the Arteza paints?
Yeah, I've dug out these Arteza paints because we haven't used them since our last video and I thought this is probably a good excuse to give them another twirl.
Yeah, because they were pretty good. I mean, we'll put a link, like, you know, in the cards and stuff to show you what we did with them, and they weren't actually too bad, you know.
So I'm picking out a red, yellow and blue.
Are those primary colours?
Yes.
Okay.
And the dealio with our primary colours, and the reason I'm picking it in watercolours, is because we can mix and blend these together. So obviously with red and blue we can make like a purple, we can also get like an orange and...
You're gonna have to walk me through this one, hun, because my colour theory does not exist.
Can you tell the difference between these three?
I think I can manage.
Which one is the yellow one?
I think it's that one.
Which one's the blue one?
That one.
No!
I'm kidding! Oh my god! I'm kidding! Sarcasm, it's wasted on everybody.
The 10 o'clock news. Dong! Dong!
Honey, we're gonna get... If you say dong one more time, we're gonna get demonetized. Okay, I'm ready to be coloured impressed.
Okay, right. For Adam, we need a primary colour tutorial.
Why do I feel like this is going to involve swatching stuff?
How else am I meant to give you a primary colour tutorial?
I don't know, talk to me, anything but swatches.
This is blue.
Wow, we are really going back to basics here.
We've got a colourblind guy with us today.
In case you didn't know. I'm sweating. Honey, you're going to make people so angry.
This is red.
Red, like the colour of rage.
Those are the primary colours.
Well, you dong! God, if those are the colours of you dong, you need help.
Do you want to see some more hot knowledge about primary colours?
Oh, guys, you're about to feel hot. Here we go.
What do you think will happen if we mix yellow with blue?
It'll turn green.
Let's see if Adam is correct.
Oh my god.
Yellow and blue. What do you think that colour is?
It looks like a nice teal.
Yeah, it's kind of green.
Honey, you're supposed to be teaching people.
It is, it's green, you were right, well done.
Finally, my self-esteem has been topped up.
Yellow with red, what happens?
Orange, right? Oh, I'm excited to see it. I do like the colour orange.
See, you were saying that you don't know what happens with this stuff, but...
It's only because I listen to you.
Okay, so...
Oh, that is a nice orange. There we go, yeah.
Yeah, we got orange. And our last combination is red and blue. What happens when you do that?
Is it purple?
See, you do know all your primary colours.
Well,
he's just been dramatic.
Look, right, the thing is that I may know what they are when they get mixed, right? But to me right now, that purple and blue that you've got there, to me, okay, now they look different, but the first swatch that you did, they look so similar. And
kind of similar.
And that's why it's so tough for me.
Okay, now we need to think primary colour thoughts.
Primary thoughts, okay.
Yeah, and we need to think of something that we can draw that uses these colours. What are you up to, my primary coloured boyfriend?
That's an excellent nickname. There we go.
I'm not as good with nicknames as you are.
Oh, honey. But that's what I've got so far. I kind of ignored what you said and decided to draw something a bit windy.
A bit windy?
What about you? Your idea is looking really, really cute.
Okay, I've had a pretty cool idea.
Mm.
It's been kind of hard to try and like execute it because there's a lot of limbs going on.
Oh, but show them because it's really good.
This is like where I've done my concept. And my idea is I want to have 3 different frogs who are doing like some kind of like a circus or acrobat kind of
It's so
act.
cute. I like the one with the top hat.
My idea is that I want to try and do one based around like each primary colour, and then maybe give it some secondary colours of like the other three colours.
That's smart. I didn't think of that.
Well, I was thinking of the colours.
I'll think of something. Oh no. I'll think of something. Oh, hello, you.
Hello.
I know you say. Sometimes Steph will try and secretly record, but the camera makes a lot of noise when it gets turned on, so it's like, I know what you're doing, girl.
Is there a way to put it on like silent?
No, it doesn't have. It's like.
Well, really, there's no silent mode on this thing.
No, of course not. It's like a professional camera. Why would a professional photographer want a silent mode?
In case I want to be paparazzi and sneaky.
Oh yeah, of course. We need to research it for the paparazzi. I'm sure they'll appreciate that, hun. Oh, let's get some more blue on here.
Oh, blue hair's a good idea.
Yeah, off camera it was actually Steph that suggested I should do blue hair. So
Well, I said a primary colour hair.
if I didn't do a primary colour, honey, I would have completely failed this video. What colour? I'll do a completely different colour. Maybe, God, what's a colour that's not a primary colour?
Oh, go on then.
Green.
A secondary colour? Oh, is that what they call a tertiary colour?
Okay. You're asking me?
Oh, always do blue eyes. Why don't you give her yellow eyes or red?
Well, doesn't yellow mean you've got like jaundice or something? Don't feel like giving her those. And I did red eyes, I think, in the previous video, so...
That's true.
Then shut up! I just want a watercolour in peace.
What colours did you mix together? Oh, is it the brown colour that we made?
Well, I mixed a bit more, so it could be not quite right.
No,
So.
I think it looks brown.
Well, thank you, dear. That's very appreciated.
It's a very, like, anime schoolgirl colour palette so far.
Well, that's good. There we go. I don't have a lot of it, granted. I should have probably made more, but...
You can mix more.
That's going to really annoy Steph.
Then why are you doing?
There we go. A gorgeous...
That's green.
Is it?
Needs more red. The middle one, yeah.
The middle one. Thank you, dear.
Yeah, that's more of a brown.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Let me just add some more water. Oh, there we go.
It's more of like a leathery brown that you've made.
Oh, well, maybe I subconsciously meant to do that, because this is meant to be a leather bag. I always kind of zone out whenever we do watercolour videos. I always tend to like just zone out because I find watercolour so relaxing, I think. And I just sort of forget to talk, and I just sort of enjoy...
How dare you enjoy yourself in a YouTube video?
Exposed. Adam enjoys himself painting too much. Yeah, I might need to cut this because I'm not mixing paints very well.
You're not cutting this out, we want to see this. Oh my god. You know, you're allowed to wipe your brush in between smearing it on top of the other colours.
Oh, okay.
What colour have you made?
Orange. What do you mean, eh?
Give or take.
What do you mean, eh? It's fine.
It's just sort of mixed in with some of your brown. Oh my god, you've even put the paints in the wet paint.
Oh god, sorry, that was an accident. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to make it that messy, I'm sorry. I'm gonna let this dry.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Turn that camera off. Okay, my little beret bombshell. Shall we see what you've been getting up to?
Is it a beret or is it a chef hat?
You're in beret mode at the
Okay,
moment.
good. He said a moment ago that I went into naughty chef mode.
You had like your chef hat going on and it was very distracting. Okay, let's have a... Ooh, that's a very red toad.
Yeah, so this is the little sketch that I did as like a thumbnail.
Oh, and you've like swatched the ones that you want. Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to put the blue to the bottom because the blue's quite a visually heavy colour. And I thought it might look a bit too heavy to have on
We all
top.
have days where we all feel a bit visually heavy. Oh, it's looking cute. I like how you've... Because, you know, I tend to water everything down, but you've really gone for the pop-in vibrance, and it's really cute.
I'm sort of trying to leave like a bunch of secondary colours, so I've got like these freckly bits
Oh, so I
on
didn't...
his cheeks.
Very, very smart, hun.
So you can have a second colour, and his hat can be done with like secondary colours maybe.
A secondary hat.
Yes. And then the other two, I want him to have like different markings to this frog. So he's gonna have stripy legs. I'm gonna give him cheeks.
Just cheek. Is that his like defining feature? My beautiful cheeks. You've got beautiful cheeks too, do you?
Some frogs do have different coloured cheeks though. That's one of the things I like about frogs.
Oh, well, that's very cute.
You know how long I've took as well trying to clean up this yellow, and it's still got sort of like a muddy brown tone to
Why are you
it.
making such a mess? Jeez. I was so careful.
No, you what?
Oh, you're going on Cheeks McGee over there.
Yup.
No, that does look like a really nice frog colour.
It's bright yellow.
To me, it looks green. So.
Although, to be honest, all these colours that we're using, there's like all kinds of different varieties of frogs. Like the poison dart ones can come in all kinds of pretty colours. If you ever see something in the wild that's particularly like yellow and black striped, that's normally nature's way of saying, yeah, don't eat this, mate.
Yeah, so it might be like either a toad or like a radioactive zebra or something. I mean, I don't know.
Or even like a bee or a wasp.
Or a bee. Yeah, literally just a bee. Don't eat me, I'm dangerous.
That's literally what the colours mean.
He's looking
Learning
very
things on Doodle Date. Dong.
cute. For God's sake. Can we just take a minute to appreciate... I'm kind of jealous because you're using the mixed media sketchbook, but I really like how there's like texture on these paints when they've dried.
It's because it like absorbs into the paper so fast that I don't get a chance to like push the paint around.
Yeah.
So it like starts to dry exactly where it is.
But it does... I really like how it looks like mine, in comparison, like if I just hold it here. Granted, mine's a lot lighter, but it dries a lot smoother. Whereas Steph's is looking... I like a bit of texture, so it's looking good.
Okay, I've done orange, green, so I guess the next colour for this guy is purple.
Ooh, purple and red. That's pretty nice. You're having a mixeroo over here.
Yeah, I purposely wanted to keep the purple off the blue one because I thought those could look kind of samey-samey.
Yeah, it's a good
The
idea.
purple and the blue.
Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, a purple top hat. It's very stunning. I'm so messy with watercolour, but this girl here, wow.
I don't think I am that precise. I go outside the lines quite a lot.
Not as much as me, honey, believe me. Oh, that's looking so cute. I really like them.
And I might try and mix a little bit more blue in with it to make like a bit of a darker purple just for his little freckles on his cheeks.
Ooh, okay. Aw. Isn't he a sweetie? Oh, it's really cute. I really like that one.
I'm not sure what I think of that colour.
Oh, he looks, don't worry, he looks cute.
I'm not usually a fan of like purples. I wonder if I can like lighten it up kind of like how you do.
Give it like a little a dab on there, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that looks a bit more forgiving.
Beautiful. Okay, guys, RGB. Not RGB, primary colours. I apologise. Did I do a good job? I think Steph did a good job. I think that goes without saying. But also introducing, as you may have not seen, Doodles and Me, an original book by Stephanie Evans, published on Amazon. Oh, it's very cute. And also I did one too, that's called Una. You may have heard of it. It's online too.
Mine's a bomic.
Yeah, Steph's decided to pen the word bomic, which is like a book and a comic, because it has written stuff in it, and also comic strips. It's very creative and cute. You should buy it today.
Hashtag bomic.
Until the next one, guys, Doodle Date!
Bye.